What's up everyone, this is Rahib Ali from DIY Tech, and today we are going to unbox Mijia 4K action camera from Xiaomi. So let's do it. Let's unbox and see what's inside the box. There is a camera itself. It's a 4K camera. There is a user manual, battery, and charging cable, micro USB charging cable, and battery capacity is 1250 mAh, and the box says it will last around 2 hours on 4K recording. It's very decent and feels good in hands. It looks very good quality camera, not very cheap. This is micro USB port for charging and data transfer. There is no external microphone. Let's put battery and turn it on. There is no internal memory, so it will require a memory card to capture videos and photos. Touch is pretty responsive, and this is the camera settings. Here you can change resolution, quality, there's EIS. It has 6-axis gyroscope, so your videos will not shake too much. By swiping down, we'll show the settings icon, Wi-Fi, lock and power off options. I've got a SanDisk 64GB micro SD card. Even it's class 10, but it's not recommended for a 4K recording, so I will stick with HD recording on this card. The card is not working, so let's reboot and see if it's going to work. Now it's recording. So if you face this type of issue, you just need to reboot the camera and it will work. By swiping left, you can see the gallery and play recorded videos. It has a built-in speaker and sound is good. Screen quality is not really good, so you can watch videos on your phone or TV. It does not come with any accessories, so I have purchased it separately. This is a silicone pouch for this camera and a lens cover. This costs around $6. It's for safety, so you will not make any scratches on your camera. This phone is not waterproof, so you will need to buy a separate case for this if you're going to use it underwater. This is the case. This is specially built for the Mijia 4K camera, so you cannot use other 4K cases on this camera. This has a different size and dimensions. You will need to remove this silicone case. It fits nicely, and now it's waterproof. We cannot use touch screen when this is inside the case, but there is a button so you can control the capture and stop recording functionalities. If you want more information about this camera, let me know in the comments below, so I will make more videos about it and will put sample shots if you need. And there are custom ROMs for this camera on the internet, so I'll try and install it and see what's the difference. And you can also tell me what kind of videos you would like to see in the future from my channel, so I'll make it. Subscribe my channel so you can watch more videos, and hit the bell icon if you want notifications. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.